got some nice carrying handles, comes with the caps, 2 sets of terminal bolts, long and short, and then some plastic caps. Let's measure this to get some dimensions. That's a lot of power in a small format like this. Very cool. 13.21 volts, 200 amps, maximum continuous discharge current, 200 amps. So I'm interested in doing some testing on this battery. So I'm going to turn all these fans on, see how close we can get to 30 amps of discharge. See, that's putting us currently at 26 amps of, and we're showing 0%. So now it's using power that's beyond the 300 amp hours. It held up real nice for the capacity test. WattCycle Mini, 300 amp hour charged up to full capacity again. So I want to get that as close to 200 amps as I can. Let's turn this AC up to high. I'm going to put it on 900 watts. 194, that's pretty close. And let's start this timer. And that's approaching 5 minutes. I really like it.